Yo, what's good, YouTube? It's Squads back at you with another video. I got my 335i in the back, and today we're gonna try to install some tint on the front headlights. And I don't know how that's gonna go, but we are about to find out. So I'm gonna try to record the whole process for y'all. I just woke up, so I'm tired as shit. I ain't even gonna lie to you, but gotta get this shit done. Stay tuned, y'all. The first thing I'm about to focus on is getting the headlights clean, because they gotta be clean and pristine for this window tint to stick on to the headlights. So we're about to do that, fix that up real quick, and get to going. I just got some window tint application from AutoZone, so we're gonna see how well this works. Don't know whether that bitch gonna work, but we're gonna see. And I do got some music in the back. Hopefully they don't copyright my black ass, but we're gonna see. We're gonna see. So I got one headlight. Headlights. Sun's on this side, so we finna hit this side first, then hop over to that side. So we'll see how this joint goes, y'all. Yeah, I'm reading directions. Pretty clean, but we gotta make sure that we got everything out. So I'm gonna hit that joint one more time. Looking pretty good. Yeah, as you can tell, this is the other headlight, the right head. It's a little dotted. They wasn't looking right. They wasn't yeah. They wasn't looking right. I ain't gonna lie to you. Hit this joint a little bit more though. Now, I'm gonna go inside, go grab the window tint, bring it out here, and then get to going on the motherfucker. Let's get into it.
You wanna take the tint, however I wanna cut it. And just cut down from there. Hands touching the actual tint, so try to keep them on the edges. Once you have your tint laid out, definitely didn't need to use that much, but once you have your tint laid out, you want to take your heat gun and go over it with your heat gun.
You want to get it fairly pretty hot.
Spray some Windex on there.
Hi. So the progress on the tint, this is what I got so far. Looking pretty damn good, I'm not gonna lie. This is the only corner. She looking good though. She looking real fucking good. God proud of you. It's my ties, but your blood, so I treat you like Prince. Take some from the free when you get older and strips. Better keep your chin, no. She gon' fuck you because you's a win. No. Okay, you ballin' like you posted. Focus on. So the heat gun almost caught on fire, so I couldn't fix the imperfections just yet, but I will once I get another heat gun, because it's not even a heat gun, it's like a hairdryer or whatever, but yeah, still looks good. 90% done. Just need to go clear up those bubbles and we are done. That shit looks neat. Finally finished the headlight tint, and this is the results. Not too bad. Definitely some blemishes in there, but I mean, it's a learning process, so probably take these off and then retry it again soon. But let me know what y'all think. I'll turn on the shit. Turn on the light. Cling. Come here, son. Hell yeah. Let me know what y'all think. That is it for this video on how to tint your headlights. With the beams on. I'll probably be able to see it better here. Wicked. Alright, y'all. That's it for this video. Thank y'all for watching. Subscribe, like the video. Have a blessed one. So the heat gun almost caught on fire, so I couldn't fix the imperfections just yet. But I will once I get another heat gun, because it's not even a heat gun, it's like a hairdryer or whatever. But yeah, still looks good. 90% done. Just need to go clear up those bubbles, and we are done. That shit looks neat. Yo, what's good, YouTube? This is a part of my my headlight tint video. So I mean, we got going crazy. That's what it sounded clean. But he's about to do a quick pull for us, so let's see what this joint talking about. And we got Nate in the cut, Nevy Nev in the cut.
How you doing? How you doing?
How you doing? Smooth moving. Smooth moving. And that sounds like a nice house.
Yeah, that's right behind us.
Yeah, he swear right behind us. The camera's about to die, so I'm trying to make this shit quick.
Come on.
Give me a green bean.
Come on.
Give me a green bean. Vibing, no, we vibing. I just got Chick-fil-A. I'm about to put that joint away because I know this joint about to get crazy. Niggas is waiting for this green before the camera die, bro.
Give me that green light.
Come on, nigga. Bro, this joint taking forever. We sitting here with this joint taking forever.
Huh?
Yeah, I know the shit's gonna go off, but
Oh, green.
oh, we got a green bean. Get on the left side.